So in this video, you'll learn how to use the voice recorder app on your Samsung Galaxy A56, A36, or A26. So the first step when it comes to using the voice recorder app is to simply open it on your phone. Once you've opened it, you can then start using it on your device. So the first step is to continue with the setup. So just tap on continue, and then you'll be brought a blank page. Once you see the blank page, just tap on this microphone icon like this to start using the voice recorder. So you'll need to give it permission to access your notifications so that you can be able to see whenever you're recording. So just tap on allow, and then you can see that red dot at the top on the status bar showing that you're actually using the voice recorder. And so now you'll see as I'm speaking, the voice recorder is actually functioning, and you can see how long the recording is going for as you continue speaking. If you want to pause the voice recording simply because you want to say something else or you want to catch your breath, then all you need to do is just tap on this pause icon like this, and then you'll have paused the voice recording. Do whatever it is that you need to do, and then when you're ready to resume, just tap on this red dot again to start the recording again. If you want to stop the voice recording, just tap on stop like that, and then you'll be prompted to give your voice recording a new name. And if you have any categories you want to place the recording in, then you can just select any of the categories, or you can create your own. When you're ready, just tap on save, and the voice recording will be saved on your phone. So from here, whenever you want to listen to any of the recordings, just tap on them like that, select play, and then you can listen to the voice recording that you've just recorded on your device. And so that's how you can use the voice recorder on your Samsung Galaxy A56, A26, and A36. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.